And we're back. 3.2, solving inequalities using addition and subtraction. Alrighty, this doesn't need to be any more confusing than simply solving an equation using addition and subtraction. Um, it's basically the same types of rules. We just have to be a little bit more careful with the inequality signs. So let's kind of jump right into it. I'm solving it simply by getting the x value by itself. Okay, so I'm going to add 6. Why don't I do this in blue, let's say. Plus 6, plus 6. Keep things balanced out. X greater than or equal to negative 10 plus 6 is going to be negative 4. And done. We don't need to make a big fuss out of it. I should graph the solution because that's part of my directions. So negative 4, let's say this will be negative 3 over here. This will be negative 5. And let's graph it out. It's less than or equal to, so it's a solid. I'm sorry, it's greater than or equal to, so it's solid. And then greater than means I'm going to point in that direction. Beautiful. Now let's look at example 2. I wonder if that one will be harder. I would love for there to be something that's a bit more challenging. No, looks like it's going to be pretty much the same. We are going to subtract 1.4. However, you might think that this is going to be a lot harder simply because there's decimals in there. Terrible, terrible decimals. Negative 8 minus 1.4. You got to be careful with the negatives there. It's a negative number becoming even more negative. Negative 9.4. You got to keep the inequality sign. Don't start changing those into equals. And x. So again, I can graph this out. I'm going to put my solution, negative 9.4, right in there. And let's choose something to the left of it, like negative 9.5, let's say. And something to the right of it. Oh, I don't know, negative 9.3, perhaps? And then we are doing not equal to, so it's going to be an open circle. And we're looking at x being less than that. So we're going to the left side. Beautiful. Alrighty. Now, let's see what we can do here. I'm going to start highlighting on this application problem so that we can highlight some important words. On a train, carry-on bags can weigh no more than 50 pounds. Your bag weighs 24.8 pounds. Write and solve an inequality that represents the amount of weight you can add to the bag. Okay. You know what? Let's just jump right into it. We have some important key words in there. Weight of bag. What else? What else? Plus amount of weight that you can add, right? Is no more than, so that's important. The weight limit, whatever that weight limit happens to be. So I've basically just taken these words in here, in these two sentences, and I've converted them into important pieces. Basically what it said was that the weight of your bag, plus whatever you're going to add to it, can't be more than this limit amount. So now let's try and convert these into the actual numerical values that they are. The weight of your bag, you said, was 24.8. So that number plus whatever you're planning on adding in weight can be no more than, so this number cannot be more than, it can be less than the weight limit, or it could be equal to the weight limit, less than or equal to the weight limit, which happens to be 50. Very good. Now I have a simple equation that I can solve. I'm simply going to, let's do this in red, Subtract 24.8 from both sides. And what do I get? I get W has to be less than or equal to 25.2. Very good. So I can add 25.2 pounds to my bag and still be within the weight limit, either equal to 50 or less than. Awesome. That is the end of this one. Make sure that if you have any questions, you write them down, and I will see you in class. And good luck with the assigned works.